Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Vamsi Reddy. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the roadmap of data science to learn in 2024. So, if you are a beginner and a non-IT graduate, if you are starting a career in data science, so this roadmap may definitely help you to cover all the topics in the data science. So, ready for the 2024? Let's start the video. So, the first and most important step is you need to know about the mathematics. So why the mathematics is important? So to in data science problems we need to have some mathematical problems. So for that we need to learn about the linear algebra, calculus and differential calculus. So these are the main important topics we need to cover in mathematics. So this is the most important thing. And the next step is we are going to deal with the stats and probabilities. So in stats and probability we have different types of topics is present, like statistics, hypothesis testing, probability, A/B testing, and T testing, p-value, etc. There is a lot of things present in the stats and probability. We need to cover each and everything, every topic in the stats and probability. That will help to, like, if you are dealing with some of the problem statements that's required stats and probability measurements. So based on the stats and probability, we can easily identify the problem and missing data. Everything is present in the data. So that's why we need stats and probability. So the most important, this is a step. And the next step is programming. So why programming? Because programming is one of the most important to write the code and develop the code, everything. So we need a required a program. Here programming we have considered the Python. So for the data science whole, the community, like data science community, mostly used in Python. So Python is the most important. Why then, like data science community peoples are also used Python, because why, we have a lot why Python is used. So Python is very easy to understand and write the code, to execute the code, everything is easy. So that's why for a non IT graduate or non coder also easily can understand the code of Python. So it is a simple English definitions with some of the syntax present. So and including that Python, we need to learn about the data structures and algorithms. MySQL for the database purpose, and MongoDB is also my database purpose. So we can also implement in like R language. We can also choose the R language, Java, C, C hash, anytime. But Python is most preferred because we we will execute the code with simply writing the code very simple. So that's why Python is most used. And the next step is we go for EDA, explore data analysis. So in this step we are learning like data visualization, data analysis, like using some MATLAB, libc. Why this data analysis use, like expert data analysis use? Because when we need to find what exactly the patterns, trends and present in the data, what exactly the variables are present in the data which we have taken, we can easily identify using this EDA. Like we can visualize using some of the Python packages like MATLAB, libc, we can get the, like, what exactly like some of the graphical methods, pie chart, the plot, the line graph, any type, some of the types of heat map. So these are the graphical representation of the data. That's why we can easily identify how much data is in relation to each other, how, what are the trends are present, what are the patterns are present in the data, we can easily identify. That's why we need to learn this EDA, explorer data analysis. And the next and most important step is step number 5, models. So up to now we have completing the learning of gathering the data, running the data, and data analysis. Now we need to build a model, one data science model using machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computers, and there is a lot of, there is a four main important with the different algorithms. When it comes to the machine learning, there is a linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, KN algorithm, K means cluster, SVM, SVR. This is a lot of algorithms present in machine learning. Coming to the deep learning, we have ANN, CNN, RNN, LSTM, GNN, and transformation algorithm, ChatGPT. These are the comes under the deep learning. And when it comes to the natural language processing, we have about two wake tokenizations, summarization. There is a lot of algorithms, also methods and technologies present in the each and every technology. So the most important, you need to learn the machine learning, deep learning, natural language. These are the things used to build a model. So here the most important step we have it. And the next step is going for the, so up to now we have building the model, but we need to show the model to the customers. That's why we use the deployment. So for the deployment purpose, we use AWS, Amazon Web Services, GCP Cloud, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure. These are the three things we use to deploy the project. So when we deploy the project, that will be used for the web access to all the users can use that algorithm. So that's why we use. So these are the steps required for the learning. As a beginner, you can learn these are the things. So if you learn this everything, you will able to eligible for the data science roles, like some of the data science roles like data analyst, data scientist, ML engineer, and business analyst. You can are eligible for the things. So these are the beginner level things. If you are learn the every concept, so you can able to eligible for the data science roles. And if you have any like things, one, this is a final and most important step: keep learning and updating. Lastly, updating the things. So every day the algorithms are running, new algorithms are launching, so you need to update the each and everything, and you need to do them more and more projects, and practice is most important. So doing the projects, practice, everything is, finally you get a clear cut idea about the data science, how the projects are work, everything. And the next and most like, if you have any queries, please make a comment. I will try to answer the each and everything. I hope you are all understand this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.